Good afternoon. Welcome to my studio. Doing a quick preview. Things that go on here at the space. I'm still moving in and unpacking, getting my foils out. Saw me lining them up before, but there's a lot more. This is my hot plate that I work on. It has a piece on it right now that's warming up. But it's basically a 18 by 18 aluminum hot plate, specially made, called the Iowa foil printer. There's another part to it that I don't use today, but I'll talk about that some other time. So this baby's getting warmed up to about 300 degrees. It's on aluminum, and you can kind of see that the medium that I work in has a lot of reflective qualities, so when I get ready to photograph it, it's kind of awkward. But it's metallic in nature. It's pigment in nature, looking like paint. And then of course there's the really fun holographic foils. And by process of layering and heat and pressure, I've already prepped the surface of this particular piece with a bold layer of purples. And that is the nature of the printmaking process that I can do with my Iowa foil printer.